So I'll be opening my VirtualBox, which is having the Ubuntu. So I'll be logging with a user called Kalyan. So I'm providing my password to log in there. Yes. So now I log into the Kalyan user. So first thing, I'm going to creating one user called ORIENIT. In that user, I'll be going to installing the Hadoop. So you can create any user easily. So please follow the steps to create a user. So I'll be going to the right corner of the VM and going for an option called System Settings. So once I choose the System Settings option, the last option will be User and Accounts. So clicking on the User Accounts, then I need to unlock on this one. So for this, it will prompt with the current user administrator password. So I'll be giving my administrator user password. Now the window is going to coming in a lock mode. So once it is available in this mode, then you are allowed to add the users, you are allowed to delete the users. For adding the users, click on the plus button, then choose the type of the user is either administrator or standard. So if you just want to do like any admin roles, means better to choose administrator, otherwise you can go with the standard also. So I'll be going to create a username is ORIENIT. So I'll choose my full name ORIENIT and username is ORIENIT. I'll click on create. Now the user is created with the role is administrator. So for this user, you just need to add the password, means click on the account disabled. Then it will ask you the password for that. So you can type your password. For the verification purpose, you can always go for the show password. The initial password and confirmation password both are same. Then click on change. Now for this account, the password is set, that will be the ORIENIT. So you can do the same thing from the command line also. So how to set the password to the user? So first click on the terminal. It will be going to open a terminal to you. Current username for me is ORIENIT and the host name is ORIENIT. So first you need to give a command is sudo to becoming as a super user. It will ask you the current user password. Provide the current user password. Then you are the root user. Once you are in the root user, you can go for sudo passwd ORIENIT. So here sudo is not a mandatory now because already you are in the root user, but it's the best practice to go with sudo command. Sudo passwd ORIENIT. Then it will ask you the ORIENIT user password. You want to set that one. Suppose previously given as ORIENIT user. Now I want to change that one. I can always change it. So I will give the new password. I will confirm that one. It simply says like password is updated. Once it is updated, come out from the root user with the exit command. You want to close this terminal, go by the command called exit. So just right now what I have done is I just created one user called ORIENIT. I set the password through window and as well as through terminal. So now what I'm going to do is like as part of this installation, so I'll be switching to the ORIENIT user. I'll be going to installing the prerequest, then I'll be going to installing the Hadoop. So for the first step is switching to the user. I'll just maximize the window for visualization purpose. Yes, now it looks good. So let's log into the user called ORIENIT by clicking on the last right corner one and go for a option called ORIENIT. So now we need to provide the password of the ORIENIT. So what we have given as part of the creation. Now I am in the ORIENIT user. So go to the dash home to open a terminal. Type terminal here. To make a shortcut, you can do drag and drop. Now escape is to exit from here. Now I will open the terminal. So you can always see the first one is the username, second one is the host name. So my host name is Kalyan. So how I can confirm that one is by giving a command is host name.